Hey, it's Maddie Green. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to take you through a little day in my life on this beautiful Wednesday. This is my workout fit featuring my shoes, dog toys everywhere. Also, the scrunchie is from my store. Hi, you guys. Are you ready for some breakfast? Okay, let's go. Doing this yogurt from Trader Joe's for breakfast before the gym. The dogs just had their breakfast, so now I can let her out of the cage, otherwise she'll eat Aspen's food. Come here, Meeple. Yeah, you guys are cute, huh? Just finished my workout. Could I be any sweatier? Now time to go eat. So I just started doing the OrangeTheory workouts because I moved here to Austin in July. I was actually flying back and forth from here to Colorado and I didn't feel stable here, so I couldn't sign up for any fun activities. So now I do the OrangeTheory gym and then I do the dance classes, and I'm doing one tonight, so you'll see that later. For my workout, I got a rare beauty package. The dogs are happy to see me. And now I'm gonna make something for lunch before I go to the warehouse. Not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with this from Trader Joe's and then decide what else to make. Oh, I love you guys so much. Yum, all done. I just finished doing my makeup because I'm gonna go live at the warehouse today. Look at that highlight. Now I got the doggies in the car and we are gonna head to the warehouse.
Hi, welcome to Sunroom. What may I start for you?
Hi, could I please do a 16-ounce iced matcha moon?
Yeah, 16-ounce iced matcha moon. Is there anything else I can grab for you today?
No thank you.
Alrighty, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you. I literally love summer moons so much. I normally get a 16-ounce iced half winter moon. I don't even think you say ice, you just say winter moon. But today I got a matcha moon because it's just matcha with their moon milk and it's so refreshing and I just love how it looks. It's so pretty. So I have made it to the warehouse. My dad was in town this past week and we were having some fun with some market prep. So there's a lot of things going on right now. But I turned on all the lights. This looks so pretty. Next, let's go take the doggies outside. So this is what the warehouse looks like right now. I have a little outdoor section, which is so nice, so I can take the doggies out. Speaking of which, where are you doggies? Hi, Miss Meeple. Good girl. Oh, it's a hot one today, so I'm gonna turn on the AC. It's super nice. This warehouse has heat, AC. Ooh. Oh, that is the sound of pure bliss of the air conditioner turning on. Now I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then get ready to go live on Maddie Green TV. Now I'm gonna go on my Procreate app on my iPad because my mom and I are launching some new cards in a half hour, so I'm gonna doodle on the photo to make it cute like this. All done. Gonna post this on Instagram and then a little email campaign. Seriously, I'm trying to make a cute video. Next, I just need to clean up my little packaging station a little bit because it got pretty messy and it's easy for it to get messy while I'm live and working. So I'll just set something down and then it'll just pile up on top of each other. Now the shipping labels want to print that I've been trying to get to print forever. My Rolo got disconnected from the Wi-Fi, but looks like it's working now. So yeah, I just rip them out and then I find the order number and I try to put them in order of when I need to package. And then I sort them by UPS and USPS because I have different pickup times. So I need to finish them by a specific time. I was looking at my table and I was like, something's missing. Tissue paper. Ta-da! Beautiful. I just got off my TikTok live and we did so many orders. I'm about to go to the post office. We hit our order goal. The goal was 717. It was so much fun. Now I'm just finishing up this little last minute order that I forgot to put in there. I'm gonna drive to the post office and then get ready for dance class. Let's go. This is way heavier than I thought. We are ready to go to the post office. My warehouse doesn't accept USPS pickup, so I have to drive all these. Oh my gosh, my puppies just knocked that over. But anyways, I have to drive all these to the post office because they won't come to my warehouse. Aspen, up, up. Up, up. May as well say hello to the camera since you knocked over my tripod. Okay, let's go. Well, they knocked over the tripod. Whatever, let's go turn off the air conditioning because I don't want to pay for that. And then we make sure the door is locked. And then we're ready to go. Will I make it before they close at 5:30? I guess we'll see. But I made it. It's 5:31. And I dropped off all of the packages. Where's the app? Are you in the driver's seat, Maple? I leave the car on dog mode when I go inside places. Yeah. Hello. Hi, Maple. Love you. All the packages are dropped off. I'm on my way home at a red light, deciding what I want to eat before dance class because I'm hungry and I don't get out of class until like 8. So by the time I get home, it'll be 9 and I'll be really hungry. Plus these guys are excited to get home to eat too, huh? So I got Chipotle. The dogs miss me. I just get hard shell tacos. I get chicken and then I get white rice, black beans, pico corn, cheese, sour cream, and lettuce. I always like to eat a few before I like leave my car because I love the crunchiness. This is my OOTD for my dance class. It's a Lyrical one. So I like to have like a baggy shirt and then some leggings. And then I typically like dance in my socks. Started some laundry. That way it'll finish up when I get back. Well, I forgot to film while I was at dance class, but enjoy this cute little moment of me dancing. I'm home now, gonna make some dinner, and honestly, I am exhausted, so I'm excited to go to bed here soon. Thank you for following along on my vlog today. Love you guys, like and subscribe, and I'll do more of these in the future. Bye!